Morning, folks. So today's topic, of course, as you know, is analysis day. Now we want to analyze gold. We want to see what's going on with gold so that everybody gets an understanding. Remember, guys, these videos, they constitute as a source, or rather a form of understanding the nature of the movement or the volatility of that pair. In this case, it's gold. So let's analyze and get a clear picture of what's happening, so that when you try and trade gold, you must understand, have the idea of what will happen to gold and what's going on with gold, and exactly what nature of approach you should use when you are tackling gold. Now, for your information, every week with gold, there are news being released. I don't know when they exactly release this news, but every week, at least once, there are news released with gold. Now you must understand, gold is affected by two things. Gold is affected by USD and the nature resource of nature resource companies that are circulating in the world, which of course we are talking about the manufacturing, or rather the manufacturing of gold. You know, when they manufacture gold is when they are taking the raw gold into turning it into materials like jewelry and stuff. So those companies, they affect what? They affect gold, and those mines which are digging out gold out of the soil. So if you didn't know, gold is found beneath the earth. So anyways, let's go straight into the video and get the information. Now, the first thing that you do, you open 4-hour time frame as usual. 4-hour time frame as usual. Now you must get an understanding of what is gold trying to do here. What is it that gold is trying to show us here? Let me just try and zoom in so we see the candlesticks, because I heard some people complaining that they can't see very well if I'm using. So I would always suggest that you can see, as I was saying, guys, that gold always, every week they've got news. Look at these spikes. How crazy is this spike? Now look at these ones. Look at these ones. Every week there are news. Look at these ones. Look at this. Look at this. Twice. Now look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So they're always having news. Why are they having news? This is because they are companies, so they have got this auditing, release what. So they are always auditing these guys, because they are digging out a lot of gold every week. So they need to audit. How much did they dig in? How much did they sell? How much did they ship? These kind of things. So if the numbers are lower than last week numbers, of course, it will affect the market. If the numbers are higher, still it will affect the market. That's why you see these spikes here. But anyways, that's not what we are here for. We're here for the analysis. Now, remember, the first thing, go to 4-hour time frame. I'm trying to let me just zoom out, guys. Apologies if you can't see, but let me try and zoom out, because I can see now. And if I can't see, I can share. So it's good for me to see. Now I want to put in my trend lines there. You see, there is my trend line. What am you following here? I'm following these things, these things. I'm gonna put another trend line there. I'm gonna leave it there, it's fine. I'm combining what I see here, guys. So I'm not combining anything I don't see. I'm combining things that I see, because I am the one that is analyzing, trying to show you guys how I analyze. What am I using to put this? I'm looking at these points. This one broke out, but these two did not break. So I'm using them as my source of what? Source of what do you call this? Support. Then they broke this. Now it's becoming a resistance. But this resistance was weak because it was playing along the resistance. So it's fine anyways. I'm just trying to combine what I see. Now what do I see? Let me see. Now I see something else here. Taking this one, coming down here. This is what I see. combine this one and this one going down. Now it's a little bit messy, but you will see as we zoom in that it makes sense. Now it's time for us to zoom in. We're using 1 hour to zoom in. Check the current market. We want to check the current market. When you check the current market, you see now it makes sense. Now they rejected this line there. You see now they rejected this line there. Now what do we do when they will say rejection? We put in a mark. We put in a mark like this. You see now, when you put in a mark like that, you know that this now is a rejection. We've marked it. So after rejection, what do you expect? We're expecting a rise. We're expecting a rise like this. We're expecting a rise. As you would know, we are expecting a rise like that. Now let's make sense of this rise. We want to make sure that everybody gets the opportunity to take, or rather to go up, or rather buy with it. Now here you must know they will come to this area here, or rather let me just put in a marker. Let me mark. They will come here. I always use another color to show the difference. You see now, they are playing inside these two. It means now they might come here and sell. And from here, they might buy, going up. Now this is the nature of what might happen. But then from here, what I'm expecting a rise here to the upper side. I'm expecting a rise to the upper side, which was this one that I was trying to show you here. This is the rise I'm talking about. From there, let me remove this one. A rise from here, going up. Exactly. So this is what I'm expecting on gold. I hope everybody gets to understand what gold will do here. Gold has rejected this point for a reason. They've rejected that point for a reason. The reason is because they want to rise. They want to go up. They want to bounce. They've already bounced here, and they must come back here and retest and bounce back to the upside. To the upside. I hope it makes sense to you guys. If you have any questions, you can just leave the question on the comment area, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you get more updates on my uploads when I upload a new video. If you did not press that subscribe button, you won't know I've uploaded a new video. So for you to know, click the subscribe button and like my video so it gets spread out to a lot of people out there to share the info. Thank you guys and take care. Stay safe.